Hey everybody, Jimmy Yen here, Acu Sensei. Wanted to share with you a Japanese technique, Japanese strategy to help you lose weight. This is the number one thing that you should implement in regards to your diet change before you change anything else. The number one thing, and this number one thing will help you lose weight. It is, in Japanese they call it Hari Hachibu. Okay, I'm probably saying it wrong because I'm not Japanese, I'm Taiwanese, but it's Hara Hachibu. It was discovered in the 1700s, I think, by a swordsman. But what is it? Translated, it means eat only 80% full. Yes, eat only 80% full, Hara Hachibu. If you can implement this, you will lose weight without changing anything that you eat, okay? Give this a try. So the next question you're probably wondering, how do I know when I'm 80% full, right? Well, I love to eat. It's hard to control. When I see something good on my plate, I can't control myself. I gotta stuff it in my face, right? So I understand the pain, right? So this is a practice a discipline you have to practice. And so one thing that I have done personally to implement Hara Hachibu is this. You want to eat slow first. You cannot eat fast. You have to chew your food. You cannot eat fast, okay? So here's the thing about our bodies is that our brain does not register we're full until probably 30 minutes to an hour after we're done eating. Because you ever realize, like on holidays or you go out to eat with friends, you eat a lot, and while you're eating, you don't feel bloated and stuffed. But then 30 minutes to an hour later, you're like, man, I overate, right? But you don't feel that way while you're eating. So that means you eating and then the stomach sending a message to your brain to tell your brain you're full, that takes some time. So you need to put some time in between that. So this is the strategy I use. I will eat slow, number one. Step one is eat slow. And as I eat, I will get to a point where I'm like, I'm pretty satisfied, but I could still eat. Right? I feel like, I could still eat. When I start thinking that, I stop. That is my 80% Hari Hachibu. Okay? So let me repeat that. Number one, eat slow. Number two, eat, and then you get to a point where you are satisfied. You're not full, you don't feel full, but you feel satisfied. And you still have a little hunger. You still have a little hunger, okay? You feel like you can still eat. That's when to stop. Because when you do that, you have reached 80%. Let me know if that works, and let me know how much weight you lost just from doing that one thing, okay?